Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here. As you can tell, we are in a much different setting. I did bring my lights with me, but it's just not quite working out, so we're gonna use some natural light right now. I hope it looks okay for you guys. But I wanted to talk to you guys all about travel essentials and how to keep a great beauty routine and a minimalist beauty routine while you're traveling, because I know a lot of you guys do travel for extended periods of time. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright, so if you guys don't know, I have moved to Colorado and we are staying in a hotel for 5 weeks. Our house will not be ready for us to move into for 5 weeks. So mainly my bag was full of just clothes and then beauty products. It was 7 pounds overweight, and I swear it was because of all my beauty products. So I asked on the community tab on YouTube. If you guys don't know what that is, community tabs can be found where I communicate with you guys a lot. So you can check out that area if you want to know what's going on with me. But I asked a little bit of questions on what you wanted to see, what I could do in a video in a hotel room, since I don't have my whole beauty stash with me. So this is going to be the start of a travel little video. So what I'm going to talk about is right here. It's sitting here. So I have a bunch of products here, and I want to talk to you about the way I travel. And again, a lot of you guys do extended stays. That's where I am at, and what I do, some of my tips and products that I absolutely cannot live without. So the first one is going to be that I bring a pillowcase with me. If I'm going to be in extended stay for any longer than like 3 or 4 days, I bring a pillowcase, because if you don't, the fabrics actually, or the fabric and the solution that they wash the stuff in the hotel can wreak havoc on your skin and especially your hair. So I bring a silk pillowcase with me. Pillowcases can fit in any bag. They're very, very thin, and so that's my first travel beauty tip. My second one will be, honestly, is getting a bag that you can stash all of your beauty products in. This one is a lot bigger. This one is actually by Original Beauty Box. They sent this to me, and I'll open it up so you guys can see. But this actually will house my hair, my skincare, and my makeup. This again is a lot bigger. They have different sizes. I usually travel with the smaller one, but I have never stayed in a hotel for 5 weeks and knew I would need a lot more stuff than just you know, the smaller one of these. So the reason why I like it is because it has this compartment here. If you saw me on Instagram, you would see that what I packed in here. So it has little, you know, doodads for your hair stuff, a little compartment here, but this is what I like the most. Woo! Everything's gonna fall out. Okay, so this section right here has all of the brushes and mascara and eyebrow and mascara. I think I said it 12 times. And then this little compartment up here has my peel pads from Exuviance. And then this is where all my compartments, sorry, it's a little messy right now because I've been literally living out of it. My brush is disgusting. Sorry, that's so gross, but that's real life. So this is what I bring in it, and I will pull out what I brought. I would love it if every cosmetic brand made babies like this. These are essential to my life whenever I travel. Here's my essence. This is actually all Drunk Elephant because it's one of the only lines that makes a small size. So I use all of these. I did bring my Truth Treatment spray. I did bring this is my only primer I brought, which is the Milk Blur Primer. I brought my Kisu lip mask, my mask from Tatcha, which is the Violet Sea mask. My eye cream from It Cosmetics, and a bunch of other things. I actually only travel with this guy. This is the Ambient Lighting Palette Edit number, let's see here, number 4. I'll link this all below. I only travel with the Hourglass powder or Charlotte powder, this Hourglass powder. And then I only travel really with just a couple of lips. So it's my new gloss bomb. And one eye palette. This is the eye palette from Zoeva. This is their new Melody eye palette. I do, however, though, travel with a significant amount of foundations because it depends on what we're doing. So I do travel with the, I just got this in the mail actually, so I didn't really bring this. So I'm going to travel with the Osmosis, my Aqua Foundation from Kojin Do, my Osmosis CC Cream, the new Marc Jacobs concealer, my sponges, and I did travel with my drops and my Benefit Hello Happy foundation, because I love this. This is what I wear when I want to look super, super flawless. So that is what my makeup stash looks like. It's really, and skincare, obviously. It's really making sure that you have the bare essentials. I did actually travel with the new Drunk Elephant, which I would not bring something like this that big, but I have really been loving this, so I did travel with this. On vacation or on when I'm traveling for work, I don't wear a ton of makeup. What I have on right now is exactly what I normally wear. It's just a nice even lip, a little bit of blush. This is all Hourglass. I don't really even wear eyeshadow, but I definitely do my brows and etc. I do have on the new foundation from Oxygenetics, so I'll let you guys know. It's kind of coming up in a foundation Friday. But so again, making sure that you have all of those products in one place is my second tip. And then I did travel with my Osmosis Level A. I didn't travel with my Truth Treatments or my Lemieux, A, because I just ran out of all of my Lemieux, and B, because they're big and they're glass, and I really worry about that with traveling. So I can't wait to get back to my Lemieux, to be honest with you. I'm missing my growth factors by them. I'm missing them. And my vitamin C by Truth. I'm really missing that as well. But I am trying the new Stem Factor by Osmosis, so I'll give you an update whenever I get done with that. All right, so tip 3 is going to be masks. These are new ones I'm trying. This is the hemp oil mask. This is by a company called Koso Beauty, and I put these in the fridge. So if you have a mini fridge in your hotel, utilize that for skincare as well. So that's my third tip, is to bring sheet masks. They will really save your skin. I have been utilizing sheet masks and oils almost every day so far. Not sheet masks, but oil, because Colorado air is a little crazy and a little dry. So a new dry climate skincare routine will be coming up soon. And then my tip 4 will be to bring some sort of supplements. My digestive enzymes are really, really important at this time because traveling can really upset the digestive system, and my probiotics, which are over there as well. I actually am trying the gummies by Mary Ruth. I will link it in below. I bought it for my daughter, but she didn't like the taste, so I really enjoy them. So my tip number 5 will be traveling with your own hair products, you guys. Traveling with your own hair stuff is essential to traveling with at least good quality hair. The stuff in the hotels for your hair are just awful. So I travel, these are R&Co Television. This is the conditioner and shampoo. These are my current favorites. I'm dying for these. I absolutely love the scent, and they are cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, petroleum-free, mineral oil-free, gluten-free, vegan, and UV protection in here. This is a fantastic hair care brand. Love this brand. And then I've also been doing this. It's the new Kristen S sea salt air dry spray. That's what I have in my hair right now. I do go without washing my hair for a couple days while I travel, so I use this the first day, and then I'll curl over this tomorrow, and then I'll wash again. But this is fantastic. There's no sticky residue with this, and it really softens the hair but gives the wave a nice body to it. It's really, really good. This is brand new for me. I love this, and it does not dry the hair out. I got it at Target. So those are my tried and true tips for really making sure that you stick to your skincare routine while you are traveling on an extended stay. Now, if you want to stay to the end, I'll give you some of my bonus tips. But if this is it for you, thank you so much for being here. Again, I'm going to try to upload as regularly as possible. My daughter is out of school. We will be in San Diego for the next 2 weeks, so bear with me. Thank you so much for all the support and love, and I will see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves. All right, so if you guys are wondering, my last 2 tips are, the reason why I travel with palettes like this, you guys have seen me talk about this palette. The RMS palette would be great, the cream RMS palette. But I travel with this because I use this as eye, obviously, shadow, and cheek and setting and all of it. Traveling with palettes is going to cut down on the weight of your bag as well as with the actual items you have. This is my go-to. I cannot live without this. These are my essential products, okay? I honestly would not go anywhere without my Osmosis Level A. I will not go anywhere. I usually will not go anywhere without my Lemieux. I just was worried because of so much of the hustle and bustle with those glass bottles. I could have probably wrapped them up, but I just didn't want to. So this is definitely much more travel friendly, and they're super light. My other is I always bring one thin eyeshadow palette, because what if I get called to go do something or I need a night out? I really can't like make a super dark look out of that Hourglass palette, so I brought something really lightweight, something really, really neutral, but has like a lot of pop to it, and it's so thin. That's what I want, okay? So that are my 2 tips as well for the eyeshadows and for being able to build looks on the go, especially if you're doing an extended stay like 4 weeks, 5 weeks. You know, the other thing to really take note is that when you stay somewhere, whether it's with your family or by yourself, getting into, for me, trying your best to get into some sort of routine really helps, because this is where the eating, for me, goes out the window, because you don't have the things that you're used to. Like, I don't have my blender, which I should have totally brought, but I mean, how many things can you pack, you know? But getting into some sort of routine. The hotel that we're staying at does have breakfast, so we will go down every morning and have breakfast. Making sure that there is, again, some sort of sense of regularity. I do this at this time, I do this at that time. It will keep the time passing by quickly. Also, to going out and exploring the city today, we did go into downtown Denver and had lunch. You know, again, I have a 4-year-old, so making sure that we stick to nap schedule is really important for us. Making sure that she gets to bed on time, gets to take her shower, because there's no bathtub, on time. So those little things, I hope, will instill some sort of sense of security. Opening up the blinds in your hotel. It is very, very common to keep the blinds drawn in your hotel room, and that really will give that kind of depressive feel. You need to open up the blinds, greet in the day, and you know, really start the day with some sort of light in your life. That's also going to help you with your with your is it circadian? Is it circadian rhythm? I think that's what it is. But your light schedule. So if you are on a different time zone, making sure that your body gets that light so it can set that circadian rhythm. And that should help you out a lot, especially if you're traveling internationally too. That is super important to get that daylight in. So yeah, so I hope that this was fun. I'm going to be doing a bunch of different videos, and I'm going to try my best to do them. And I will be talking to you guys soon. Thanks again. I'll see you soon. Bye.